Welcome back to Checkout Guide YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show or hide payment methods for your wholesale buyers. Sometimes most of the stores will be selling retail products and wholesale products in one store. In that case, only wholesale customers should be enabled the bank deposits. On retail customers, they should not be enabled the bank deposit, right? So I'll show you how you can do it. So the first thing is you need to enable the bank deposit from the settings. Go to payments, and you have an option here, manual payment method. You can enable bank deposit, activate bank deposit, and you can also give your another details there. So then we're using an app called BTB Wholesale Discount from Shopify App Store. You can also install this from Shopify App Store by searching BTB. Otherwise, I also attach the app link in the description and the first comment of this video. So after installing the app, can see an option payment roles. So you can create a new payment role. So what we are doing is hide bank deposit for retail customers. Retail customer. If you need any further description, anything, can add it. So this is the customer target. So customer with specific tag. So think of you have a retail tag for your all retail customers, and you can give that tag, and they're purchasing above $1, right? Then you have the action hide payment method, which will be bank deposit. So bank deposit. So you can see the preview role. So when the customer has the retail tag and their order totals at least $1, then it will hide prepaid, right? Sorry, it will hide the bank deposit. So only wholesale customers will be able to see the bank deposit. You can see the changes. So the rule has been done, right? So this is how you can easily manage it. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.